Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the Makeup Mummy family. And guys, if you are new to my channel, it'll be awesome if you can hit that subscribe button and join me here at Makeup Mummy. And if you do, remember and hit that bell, as that will notify you every time I upload, which is Fridays and Sundays. So guys, today I'm doing a little tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I thought, why not? We're getting into the warmer months, summer's approaching, you know, holidays. Not that I'm going on a holiday, but you know. So I have created this look here for you today. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I wasn't sure how it was going to go, but I actually really like the outcome. I like that it's very, very upbeat. You know, it's very summery, very festival looking. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, headband on, eyebrows are done, and we've concealed, and I used Scent to just set the lid. We're now going in with a Tarte using an MSQ fluffy brush, and we're just going back and forward circular motions, blending as we go, just laying down our transition shade. Okay. Then we're going in with New Day. This is a beautiful shade, just a vibrant yellow. Sticking with the same brush, we're doing the same thing, going in that crease, back and forward, circular motions. We want everything to be seamless and blended. I think I'm going to use a little more, just to make sure it is popping a punch there. Don't be scared to go back and forward. And also our blending brush, don't forget to blend, blend, blend. You want everything to look diffused. Okay. So now we're going into Daydream. This is again a vibrant orange, and we're sticking with the same brush, just going from the outer corner, working our way in. Not going fully into the inner corner, just sort of 3/4 of the way in. Blending brush, just making sure those two colours are working well together. Just blend them together, make sure everything is seamless and flawless. Okay, so then we're going into Half Time. This is very, very vibrant, and it's a very deep red orange is the way I could describe it to you. And we're using a smaller MSQ fluffy brush and just packing that on in the corner. As you can see, it is full-on pigmentation. It's a beautiful shade. Just sticking to the outer corner, mind, maybe not even 1/4 of the way in. You're just wanting to deepen those outer corners. Blending brush again, making sure everything is working well and is cohesive. And guys, if you hear any noise in the background, that is my little girl. She is currently playing with Daddy. Singing her heart out. Okay, I just want a little bit more there. Just pack it onto this eye here. And then we're going to blend that out again. Okay, that's better. So now what we're going to do is conceal the eyes. We're going to do sort of like a half cut crease, and I'm using the Mark Avon Creamy Concealer, and I'm just using a flat edge brush from Morphe. And looking up here, it's just giving me a guide as to where I want to put it. That will be my natural crease. So again, just fill that in. Same on the other eye there, guys. Just looking up and then just following the line. Okay, so then I'm going to go and take Scent, and we're going to apply that with a very small fluffy brush, just to make sure that it doesn't crease, and just basically setting the concealer, guys. Now we're going into the I Heart Revolution Mermaid's Heart palette. This is a beautiful palette, and we're going to take that gold shimmer right there, and I'm going to use a smudging brush from MSQ. I couldn't think of what I was wanting to say there. And we're going to start packing that on the lid. Just follow where you placed the concealer. This is a beautiful, beautiful shimmer, guys. I absolutely adore it. Same with the other eye. And I kind of felt I wasn't getting a pop, so I started to use my finger and noticed, wow, that really does pack a punch, that shimmer, when you're applying it with the finger. So again, I did the same on the other eye. Now, Fix Plus saves the day. I'm just dampening my brush and I'm going back in with the same gold shimmer, and I'm just going to coat the area where I placed the concealer from our cut crease. Much better, much better. That's lovely. It's all about playing about, guys, you know, just testing out different colours, see what works. Then we're going to use this champagne shimmer. This is more like a topper in my opinion. And first I'm going to use a very small pencil brush from MSQ, and we're just applying that between the gold and that really vibrant orange. And just to make sure the two blend well together, this just, oh, it was beautiful. I couldn't resist then putting it all over the lid. I use my finger to then apply some of that champagne shimmer all over the gold, just very lightly tapping because I still didn't want to lose the gold colour, but it just adds something special, it really does. Perfect. Okay, so things are looking good. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, we are bronzed and look at that highlight. So we're going back into the palette with the matte sky blue shade, and I'm actually taking a pencil brush and we're going to apply that underneath the waterline. Sticking as close to the waterline as you can, but I did want a little bit of smokiness, so I brought mine slightly further down. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I just really want to play about. And this shade is stunning, guys. As you can see, it's just so nice. I really like it. So going back in there because I just want to deepen it up a little and make it a little bit more vibrant. Still sticking with the same pencil brush, of course. And I've brought my fingers up further up the brush for a little bit more control for the second layer of this blue. Taking another pencil brush, we are, actually this is not a pencil brush, what am I talking about? This is a small fluffy brush from MSQ. We are just blending it out and smoking it out, just so that there's no harsh lines, guys. Looking good. Now the next step for me is we're going back into, I felt we were going to go back into Daydream. Can't find a brush there, guys. That's just the usual for me, really, is it? A hot mess. I was going to go for Daydream and change my mind. I decided I would go back in with the I Heart Revolution Mermaid palette, and we're going to go into that gold shimmer again and just apply that from the inner corner, working our way out, joining up into that blue. So it kind of turns the blue into sort of a greeny colour, and then it has a gradient into that blue. Looking good. I am loving this look. I was a little scared, but I do enjoy how it turned out. So off we go. Okay guys, we are back and this is me fully glammed up. So as you can see, it's very summery, sunset-y, sort of that beach look. A little out of my comfort zone. I didn't know how the blue was going to go, obviously, with this look, but I really like it. It's not going to be to everybody's tastes, guys, but I do like it. Obviously, I will list everything else that I used in the description box below. My lips are Primark, topped with a little bit of Makeup Revolution Elite and then a little bit of the 3D Hydro Gloss from Kiko, because you know your girl loves that gloss. I've got a little bit of spillage there. I'm really liking this look, guys, that we've created here today. It's very, like I said, summery, upbeat, really fun, just something out of the norm. I am enjoying it. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration for maybe those summertime festival looks. And yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this, and I really do like the outcome. I like how everything worked together. The colours are just amazing, guys, and these two palettes are absolutely fantastic. The Mischief Mattes from Revolution Pro is £8. The I Heart Revolution Mermaid's Heart is $6.99, so you're not paying a lot of money for these products. Everything else I used here today, except for the highlight and the setting spray, is affordable. I am affordable chick, you know, I do like my high end, but my heart is with the drugstore, guys. I like anything that I could get for, you know, affordable price that works just as well as the high ends. And guys, you can't deny that these have a punch. The pigment is amazing and everything worked fantastically. So guys, like I said, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope wherever you are in the world you're having a good one, whether it be day or night. Remember and stay safe, and we shall see you in the next one. It would mean a lot, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button and join me here at Makeup Mummy for more of these videos and more reviews and, you know, just our overall thoughts on products. And also, if you hit that bell, that will notify you every time I upload, which is Fridays and Sundays. Because now, guys, like I've said, it's not enough just to be subscribed to the channel. You need to hit that bell for my videos to hit your subscription boxes. So until the next one, guys, you take care. I love you and we'll see you soon.